After exercise 9A, our next topic is to find CP, cost price. Simply when we have to find cost price and gain percent or loss percent is given to us in question, then what to do? So two formulas we are having here. CP equals to SP into 100 upon when you are having gain percent or profit percent. Gain or profit means what? Plus. So 100 plus profit percent. Then CP equals to SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent when we are having loss. So just remember this two formula for this particular question to find the CP of any question. Okay. So if profit, then plus profit percent. If loss, then minus loss percent. So the first question, find the cost price. So selling price is given to you rupee 21 and gain means what? Profit. Gain is given to you 5%. So CP we have to find. So cost price equals to selling price into 100 upon 100 plus gain percent. Now remember one thing, gain percent is written here and gain percent we are having. So just take here 5 only. यहाँ पे गेन परसेंट ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है और ये भी गेन परसेंट है, मीन्स गेन परसेंट की वैल्यू क्या है, तो सिर्फ आपको 5 लिखना है और कुछ नहीं लिखना है. ओके, सो द सॉल्यूशन इज कॉस्ट प्राइस इक्वल्स टू SP. SP is rupee 21 into 100 upon 100 plus gain percent 5, so write only 5. So now CP equals to 21 into 100 upon 105. So now 21 1 ja 21, 21 5 ja 105, 5 1 ja 5, 5 20 ja 100. So we got CP cost price rupee 20. Similarly, you can solve for loss. Second question, SP is rupee 22 and the loss is rupee 12%. Loss is 12%. Okay, so now the same formula, CP equals to SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. So CP equals to SP. SP is 22, 22 into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. So 100 minus 12. So now (22) into 100 upon 100 minus 12, 88. So 22 1 ja 22, 22 4 ja 88, 4 1 ja 4, 4 25 ja 100. So CP is rupee 25. Clear? So like this you have to solve question number 1. Okay, then question number 2 is also same. Selling price is given to you 810, then a loss of 10% is suffered, means 10% का loss हुआ है, तो loss percent equals to कितना होगा 10%. use the formula CP equals to SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss, solve it, you will get answer. Then question number 3 is also same, nothing is changed. Okay, so question number 1 2 3 you can solve. Then question number 4 and 5, these two are same. Okay, I'm solving here question number 4. Question number 4 is given to you on selling an article for rupees 2640. So selling price of an article equals to rupees 2640. Profit of 10% is made. So profit equals to how much? 10%. So the first question, cost price we have to find, and the second question, new selling price in order to gain 15%. Okay, so CP फॉर्मूला क्या है CP के लिए? CP इक्वल्स टू SP into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent is given to you, so this use this formula. Okay, now CP we have to find, so CP as it is SP into 100. SP is 2640 into 100 upon 100 plus profit percent. So 100 plus profit percent is how much? 15. So write 15. Okay, so now cost price equals to 2640 into 100 upon 150. Okay, so now CP equals to 5 2 ja 10, 1 this side, 5 will become 15, 5 3 ja 15, then 5 20 ja 100. Now 2640 and 23. Simply 23 is your prime number. If 2640 is divisible by 23, so try 23 1 ja 23, 3 remaining, bring 4 down, 23 1 ja 23, 1 1. So this is not divisible exactly. Okay, a little mistake is there. Profit is 10% given to us in the first condition. By mistake I have written here 15, so this is 10%. Okay, so now this 100 plus 10 will be 110. Okay, so now this 0 and this 0 get cancelled. 11 1 ja 11, 11 2 ja 22, 4 remaining, 4 will become 44, then 11 4 ja 44. So 24 into 100, rupee 2400. So this is your cost price. Okay, now the second case is given to you. Second case is what? If gain percent is 15, gain percent is 15, so new SP we have to find. तो न्यू SP फाइंड करना है और गेन 15% हो गया. सो जस्ट नाउ कैलकुलेटेड किया हमने CP. CP कितना आया? 2400. अब SP निकालना है, तो SP के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या है? वेरी इजी. SP के लिए फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? देखो, ये पूरी जो वैल्यू है ये CP के पास चली जाएगी. तो फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? CP इंटू 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंट और इक्वल्स टू यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? SP इंटू 100. ये पूरी वैल्यू इधर चली गई. ये आपको फॉर्मूला बनाना बता रहा हूँ मैं. ठीक है, अब निकालना किसको है? SP को. तो ये 100 को यहाँ से हटाओ, यहाँ ट्रांसपोज करो. ये आपका SP का फॉर्मूला है. क्लियर? सो फॉर्मूला फॉर SP इज CP इंटू 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंट अपॉन 100. सो CP इज वॉट? 2400 इंटू 100 प्लस प्रॉफिट परसेंट. सो 100 प्लस 15%. 15 यूज़ करना है, क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है 15% अपॉन 100. सो 2400 इंटू 115 अपॉन 100. 0 0 0 0 गेट कैंसल्ड. सो 24 इंटू 115. ओके, so 2760 rupee is your required selling price. Okay, so like this you have to solve. Just remember the formulas, then second exercise will be very easy to you. Just try with formula. Okay, if you are having formula you can solve any question, so just remember the formula. Okay, then question number 5 you can solve. Question number 6.